I think nowadays we just blindly believe it. I think it's really important to be aware of about the clinic itself and more especially about the doctor itself. And see how they're reacting to your questions. Are they allowing you to ask questions first of all? So,
Hi Sham, today is the second day of surgery. We have implanted nearly 6,000 grafts. So how was your overall experience?
so I would say it was really a pleasant experience. Mainly because I came in with a lot of expectation to start up with, and I was really happy with the fact that the trust that I put in. It was really great because right from day one, I would say, right from meeting the staffs to use, and then till now, the second day of surgery itself, I think it went pretty well, and I'm really happy with it.
So what about the pain? Can you grade the pain?
So I would say initially there was a bit of nervousness, but then apart from that, I didn't feel any much pain at all. There was a little bit of numbness, I would say, but then other than that, everything there was switch.
Okay. So you're working in Bangalore, and even in Bangalore also you went to many clinics for the consultation. So finally, why did you choose us?
Yes. So when I took up the decision of doing the hair transplantation itself, I had this thing clear in my mind that I wanted to do a lot of research. Don't just do a hair transplantation for the sake of doing it. So I did a lot of research, and then I spoke to a lot of docs. And one thing that I really wanted was to gain that trust from them, and I wanted that trust from them and with the staffs as well, right? And then I did a lot of research with your clinic too. So me, my parents, all of them did a lot of research, and then we were really happy with the fact that I came to you for like 3-4 times before actually deciding on to do the surgery itself. So very happy with that, and that's the even the trust documents.
Yeah, you said you have done multiple researches regarding the hair transplant. In recently, you would have heard there is 2 patients died after hair transplant, which was done by a dentist. So what is your thought about that? What is your opinion about it?
Yeah, I think nowadays we just blindly believe in terms of we have a lot of clinics out there who say they're with the best of hair transplant and all of that. I think it's really important to be aware of about the clinic itself and more especially about the doctor itself. And that's the reason that I said, right, you have to do a lot of research in terms of meeting the docs, asking the right question with them. I would say it's an important decision of your life. You do it only once, so we'll have to be really careful in terms of asking the right questions, doing a lot of checks with them, and then going for that. So I think that's something which is missing. But in this case, I did it right, so it's been better.
Okay. So if someone wants to get that hand transplant, so how do they choose the clinic?
So for me, I would say you'll have to draft a step-by-step process for this itself. Right? First of all, I think it's really important to know or meet the doctor, I would say, as many times as possible, and see how they're reacting to your questions. Are they allowing you to ask questions first of all? So my experience has been with the fact that many of the docs have tried to push the financial part of things right at the first meeting itself. But then with you here in this case, I was explaining more about the process itself. And second, see if they're realistic with you. I think when you're doing the research, just go online. Try to see what are the experiences and compare it with yourself, right? And see how many grafts of hair can you realistically have. Speak to your doc and see if they're being realistic. You don't have to be specific about the number itself, but just on an approximate level, if you're just there about. I think that will be your second step. And third step, I would say, in terms of how the staffs react within the clinic itself, right? I think that also plays a big role. And just, I would say, also ask questions with others who are which are the clinic, see what they are to say. So I think this should explain all the way.
That really, thank you. We'll meet after a good way.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you so much.